Alright, I've been playing around with this fly stove. Watch, this is departing Montreal. Is it moving? Yes. There, you can look at the power. I've just rotated. Right, let's zoom in. Let's look at the takeoff portion. There we go, right? Oh, there we go. And you can see down in the corner the little attitude. Climbing, climbing, climbing. Very cool. I'm going to skip ahead to the landing portion. Look at the ILS. There I am coming down. About to go past the final, and you can see over here the final approach fix. And look, you can even see the crosswind. And this is the precipitation. You know, it was raining pretty hard there. And if I zoom back out, oops, I didn't want to do that. You guys have to be over here. There we go. Or zoom back out. You see, there's all the rain. It was really heavy right at the airport. Time of landing, and you can see autopilot off. It says I went too far. I went past, obviously past the final approach fix. It says I went below 200 feet with the autopilot still on. So it calls you out on any little discrepancy. So see right there, autopilot was on with height AGL 200 feet airborne for 8 seconds. So I guess 8 seconds beyond the final approach fix. So interesting. It calls you out, tries to make you better and keep you safe. So pretty cool. So talk to you later. Check me out on the next one. Thanks for watching.